The Donner 61-key keyboard piano DEK610S arrives as a surprisingly comprehensive package for just $169, promising to meet the needs of absolute beginners while still offering enough bells and whistles to keep intermediate players engaged. Right out of the box, you are greeted with a full complement of accessories: an adjustable height bench, an easy-to-assemble X-style keyboard stand, a sheet music holder, a microphone for sing-along or recording, and of course the power adapter. For anyone wary of scouring accessory shops or piecing together separate purchases, this all-in-one approach takes a huge weight off your shoulders. If you've ever scrambled for a stand or hunting down compatible pedals, you'll immediately appreciate having everything included. Physically, the DEK610S is lightweight and portable, clocking in at under 15 pounds without the stand. Its slim plastic body slips easily into car trunks or under beds, making it ideal for cramped apartments, dorm rooms, or even impromptu outdoor jam sessions. While the casing is undeniably plastic, Donner has managed to avoid the flimsiness trap common at this price point. The keys feel sturdy under your fingers, and the buttons and knobs click with reassuring precision. The built-in 210W speaker drivers are mounted on either side of the control panel, and while they can't rival dedicated studio monitors, they deliver room-filling sound that's more than adequate for bedroom practice or small gatherings. One of the most compelling features is the DEK610S's voice palette. 249 voices span everything from grand pianos and electric pianos to strings, organs, and exotic SYNTH tones. Few entry-level keyboards even offer 61 keys, let alone this many voice options, and Donner's sound samples exceed expectations for the price. The grand piano tone in particular is bright and crystalline, with enough warmth to satisfy those transitioning from acoustic instruments. Users upgrading from decade-old Casio or Yamaha keyboards often comment on the marked improvement in clarity and depth. True polyphony matters too. The DEK610S delivers 32-note polyphony, meaning you can play complex chords, arpeggios, and layered rhythms without abruptly losing notes mid-phrase. Complementing the voices are similarly generous rhythm banks: 249 preset rhythms from pop and rock grooves to Latin patterns and ballad backdrops. These auto-accompaniment features turn the keyboard into a one-man band, automatically providing bass lines, drum patterns, and even chordal fills as you play. For beginners, this takes the pressure off creating accompaniment from scratch, and it's strangely addictive to explore the various styles and improvise over familiar beats. If you are teaching yourself, hearing a backing track can be motivating, turning solitary practice into a mini performance. Donner wisely embeds 3 teaching functions: record, demo, and lesson directly into the keyboard. The record function allows you to capture your playing in real time, play it back, and identify areas where timing or note accuracy need work. It's a simple 2-track recorder, nothing like a DAW setup, but immensely valuable for self-critique, especially when you don't have a teacher present. The demo mode introduces you to 50 built-in demo songs, each showcasing different voices and rhythmic styles. It's a quick way to sample the keyboard's sonic range or to learn songs by ear. The lesson mode splits the keyboard into left and right hand practice segments, requiring you to nail one hand's part before unlocking playback for the other. This step-by-step approach can be a lifesaver for novices who otherwise feel overwhelmed by learning both hands simultaneously. Donner outfits the DEK610S with a backlit LCD display that clearly indicates your current voice, rhythm, tempo, and function selections. Despite its compact size, the screen remains easily legible from a handful of feet away, and the menu navigation, while not as slick as a high-end touchscreen, is intuitive. Buttons are logically grouped: voice selection on the left, rhythm controls in the center, and transport tempo on the right. If you're used to clunky entry-level interfaces, this is a breath of fresh air. Where the DEK610S stumbles a bit is in its build consistency and quality control. With over 4,000 global ratings averaging 4.4 out of 5 stars, the vast majority of users find it dependable, but a vocal minority report keys that stick or cut out, speakers that buzz at higher volumes, or a missing microphone altogether. It seems that manufacturing variances can lead to occasional bum units, and Donner's customer service reputation has been mixed. Some buyers praise swift replacements, while others report frustrating delays. Given the low price, it's still a gamble worth taking, but know that you may need to engage with support if your unit arrives with hiccups. Battery power is another thoughtful inclusion. In addition to the AC adapter, the DEK610S can run on 6-hour batteries, ideal for moments when an outlet is inconvenient or if you want to jam on the back porch. Dorner's auto-switching design means you never drain batteries when the adapter is plugged in, a practical detail sometimes overlooked by competitors. In terms of value, few instruments on the market pack so much functionality into a single kit at sub $200. The accessibility of the keyboard stand and bench takes away one barrier to entry, while the breadth of sounds, rhythms, and teaching tools keeps learning fresh. If you are pursuing basic music education, getting a feel for chord structures, or simply wanting a fun, portable keyboard to experiment with, the DEK610S delivers impressively. Intermediate players may outgrow the 32-note polyphony or the lightweight, SYNT8 style keys eventually, but even then, the wealth of presets and practice tools can remain inspiring side features.